Persona is a semi-functional representative of your ideal customer based on market research and real data about your existing customers. It is a personality that embodies a key segment of your audience. A persona, whether you call it a buyer persona or marketing persona, is a proxy for your target audience, a valuable shorthand for someone who has the same interests, priorities and concerns as your buyers. The persona is based on extensive research.
How should I create a marketing persona?
First thing first is to do research. Before starting to create any persona, you need to do amount of research to understand what your audience is interested in. For example, what worries them, where they will be spending their money on in the coming year. Analyze your own analytics also, which emails got opened, which social media posts get the most engagement. Analyze your findings. Once your all research is done with all your research, you have to do analysis. What kind of patterns do you see in responses? Is there any kind of themes among different people preferences? How do customers prefer to get communicated? And after how much time they want to hear from you? What kind of business challenges do they face? If you got majority of answers in same manner, get it include while you create your marketing persona. Discuss about demographic information, either the age, their occupations, education level. Are they typically introverts or extroverts? Big picture thinkers or detail oriented? Create your personas once you've pinned down the details. Now it is a time to start creating your persona. Group together the people who share common characteristics, whether this is by job titles, challenges, objectives or whatever other criteria you value. Add the details. To make them really valuable, the personas need to be detailed and precise. Give them any name which will help to visualize them, and it will be very valuable at the time of writing content for them. Think more about your marketing persona, such as, how old is your persona likely to be? Are they family-oriented or solely work-driven? What interests or habits do they have outside the office? All the above details will help you to build a complete picture of the person you're marketing to. Now your marketing persona is created. Keeping that in mind, you can start marketing to them. You can create more focused marketing by using buyer personas. I hope this has given you an insight into the way detailed buyer personas can be used to focus your marketing, deliver better results and improve your ROI.